The absolutely legendary music composer for the background of this film, Ismail Darbarji. Please aaiye. For costumes, Chandrakant Sunavane and Neetu Singh. The editor and his team, Jayesh Shekharne. Please come on stage. Vasu and Jay, please. Javed and Ijaz for action. Subhash Shinde for makeup. CEO Legend Studios, Manish Singh. Ara Mohan Singh, Associate Director, Parag Mehta Casting. Behind the scenes in marketing, Rohit Sharma. Legal, Vipin Shukla ji. Digital marketing, Every Media se Gautam. The PR team, Mahrukh and Vikram. Please come up on stage. Lyrics, Priya Saraya, Anvita Dutt and Vayu. For cast, I don't know how they're going to fit into a frame, but I think this fantastic team deserves a photo op quickly together, all of you together. You want to line up in the front? Bhushan Kumar ji, without your support, this wouldn't have been possible. Please come up on stage. Sandeep Singh. The girl who makes you go weak in the knees, Aditi Rao Hydri. Please come up on stage. A perfect combination of innocence and gorgeousness. Somebody whose art form and whose even speeches I admire. Vinod Chopra ji, please aa jaiye. And someone who's loved Sanju Baba probably the way each one of us have, thanks to the craft and the kind of roles he's given him. Raju sir, Raju Rani ji, please aa jaiye. Sanju Baba on screen, we saw his pictures from behind the scenes and we were like, that is impossible. Ranbir Kapoor, one of the finest artists with such a loving heart. And the force जिसको लेके हम सब बड़े हुए हैं, जिनके मोहब्बत ने, I want to give you a little story before I actually call him on stage. I was actually traveling for an event to Hyderabad in the Facebook office, and I met this very, very passionate makeup artist. And he couldn't stop talking about Sanju Baba, and he said he wouldn't eat till we hadn't eaten. You know, the anger you see on screen is not an actor. वो actually उनका जज्बा होता था अगर उन्होंने खाना नहीं खाया हो या उनको वो चीज़ नहीं मिली हो जो शायद वो स्टार्स को पहले पूछते हैं. But he doesn't consider himself. I want to first विदु जी, मैं आपसे पहले विनती करूंगी कि आप कुछ कहें. चोपड़ा साहब, आपसे शुरुआत करना चाहूंगी मैं.
यार, ये तो किसी ने बताया नहीं कि मैंने शुरू करना है. मैंने तो कुछ सोचा ही नहीं. All I have to say कि ये जो यहाँ खड़ा हुआ है ना संजय दत्त, मुझे काफी साल हो गए हैं. मेरे ख्याल में कहना तो नहीं चाहिए पर ऑलमोस्ट कितने साल हो गए राजू? 30-40 तो हो गए होंगे. ऐसा मेरे को ना कोई मिला है, ना कोई मिलेगा, और पॉसिबल ही नहीं है ऐसा कोई आदमी होना. ये मैं आपको बता रहा हूं कि ये एक्सेप्शनल ह्यूमन बीइंग है. और मैं एक्चुअली इसको इतने सालों से जानता हूं, लेकिन मैं इसको अब जानने लगा जब राजू ने कहानी इसकी सुनानी शुरू की. तो ये क्या है ये आदमी, इसको आप समझ ही नहीं सकते. मैं समझता हूं कि वी हैव नॉट हैड, आई हैवंट मेट अ मैन लाइक हिम, एंड यू नो आई हैव टू से दिस. और मैं गाली वाली दे देता हूं स्टेज पे, वो तो आपको पता ही है, तो मैं सच ही बोल रहा हूं. झूठ नहीं बोलता हूं मैं. Exceptional, and I really, from deep down my heart, I wish, and Nanu, of course, has been with us for a long time. I think this team, and I had liked Mary Com, I had called him when I saw the film. So I hope and pray to God that this film is what Sanjay Dutt deserves as a film for a comeback. Thank you.
Raju sir, we thank you for not just taking him up in one of your films. Your films inspire us, and if Vidu ji jo keh rahe hain ki inke jaisa na koi tha na koi hoga, so we're really looking forward to what you have to offer. But you've already given us so much with him in your films. Aapko kya kehna hai?
मैं क्या कहूँ मैं संजू के बारे में क्या कहूँ संजू मेरे फिल्म करियर का एक बहुत ही अहम हिस्सा है मैंने अब तक 4 ही फिल्में बनाई हैं उसमें से 3 में संजू है 5वीं बना रहा हूँ जो संजू के ऊपर है अब इससे ज़्यादा संजू मेरे जीवन का कोई हिस्सा हो नहीं सकता ही इज इंस्पायर्ड मी he did Munna Bhai and the way he did it made that film great and I wouldn't have been what I am because without Sanju and I totally believe in that so Sanju to hamare sath Sanju came back 1.5 years back and we were all missing him so Sanju is back but Sanju the actor is now back so we've been waiting वो एक visual thirst होता है ना संजू को देखा ही नहीं स्क्रीन पे 3 साल से नहीं देखा so I was really waiting to see this trailer and it's so magical to see Sanju back on screen with that red gulal on his face. Sanju, you're looking magical and I'm... यार पूरी फिल्म ही दिखा दो ना आज. So, Sanju के बारे में अब मैं ज़्यादा नहीं कहूँगा. Let the film come and then you'll see Sanju the actor here and you'll see Sanju the man 6 months down the line. And Sanju, all the best. We love you.
This man can play.
I was never a fan of workouts and gym, and I remember I've been working out in Sanju sir's gym since the last 10 years, and after 3 years he came down and said, "मैं तेरे को 3 साल से gym में देख रहा हूँ, कोई difference तो आया नहीं, तो करता क्या है यहाँ?" But good evening, everyone. Firstly, congratulations to Bhushan sir, Umang sir, Sandeep. I think the trailer was wonderful, as you all have seen today. It's amazing to see Sanju sir back on screen. I think this is his first release after his release. And like Raju sir said, we all have missed you so much. And when we see you on screen, it is magical. You know, something happens deep within. I think like all of us out here, I'm such a huge admirer and fan of yours, Sanju sir. Because I have had the good fortune of knowing you as a person. I've interacted with you since I was a child. So I know your heart. And I'm really happy and welcome back to the movies. I think we all missed you a lot, sir.
And now to the man who actually brought him back on screen, Umang Kumar, thank you so much. You always do some poetic justice when it comes to that emotion that's missing on screen. How was it? What was it? And my God, congratulations on that fantastic trailer.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for coming here. Thank you, media, for being so kind to us every single time. To Bhumi, to Sanju Baba, and to us. And it means a lot. And this film, obviously, is very, very special for the man that is there, which is Sanju Baba. And we still know, Sandeep and me, when we went to his house, and in 1 minute he said, "This is it." We said, "This is it?" He said, "Yeah, this is it. This is my comeback film." And suddenly we also didn't realize, Baba, ye to boj aa gaya hamare sar par. I mean, unka comeback, he was doing other films, but he said, "This is the film." And he trusted the film more than us. And we said, "Thank you, sir." And he trusted me. Thank you for just being part of this film. And it just like, you know, I still remember the first day when the camera rolled and his face was on the monitor. I said, my God. Oh, wait, breathe. He was nervous that day with the first day of the comeback. But he just rolled. And the way he rolled, my God, it's overwhelming when you see him on the big screen. Really, his eyes talk. And that's why the poster is the fantastic eyes that speak the whole film. The whole film is this poster. And thank you for being part of this. Thank you, Aditi, for being my Bhumi and Baba's Bhumi. It means a lot. You gave your heart and soul for this whole film. Thank you for being part of this film. Thank you, all my cast and crew. Everyone who's standing over here, fantastic. I loved it. To see all of you all, you know, all your hard work really paid. Thank you, Bhushanji, for trusting in this film. You are like our brother, and you know you believe in us. And thank you for giving Sandeep and me a chance to be part of your family. This movie means a lot. It's a big landmark for us in 3rd in a row. But I thank you all, and once again, a big thank you, sir. big, big, big thank you. I just want to hug you because your hugs are the biggest hug. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being part of this. That's Sanju Baba. One big, huge round of claps, please.
भूषण कुमार जी, आप भी कुछ बोल ही दीजिए अब, इतने सारे थैंक यूज आपकी तरफ।
अदिति बोले पहले, अदिति।